Howdy, my name is Tom with Precision ADAS, and today we're going to be initializing the passenger seat weight sensor on a 2024 Honda HR-V. You'll need two things for this calibration. Number one, a scan tool capable of communication with the SWS module, and two, a weight between 22 and 40 pounds measured exactly. I recommend a solid 30-pound backpack weight. Before you begin, you will need to confirm some preconditions. The vehicle will need to be on level ground with all tires properly inflated. Remove anything you find in the rear pocket or under the seat. Remove any non-OE coverings or cushions placed in the seat so that the seat is as it was from factory. Turn off the seat heater and the air conditioning unit. Set the headrest all the way down and set the incline all the way to upright to the first locking position. Set the forward and rearward slide all the way rearward to the first locking position. If equipped with height adjustment, set it to its lowest position. Turn the ignition to the key on, engine off position. Once all preconditions are met, enter the vehicle with the scan tool. Enter the SRS/SWS module and select Adjustment or SWS Initialization from the Hot Functions menu. While the computer carries out the function, do not shift the vehicle or touch the passenger seat. Once the function is completed, you will need to perform an output check. Enter the live data for the SWS control module. While unweighted, the front passenger seat weight should read within 0.77 pounds of zero. Once this condition is confirmed, prepare your hard weight and place it in the center of the passenger seat. The sensor should read half of the weight applied. For example, if you applied 30 pounds of weight, it should read roughly 7 kilograms, or 15 pounds. If when doubled, the reading comes out to within 2 pounds of the weight applied, the sensor has passed this check. This video was intended for demonstrational purposes only and is not a replacement for OE service info. Always check OE service info for the most up-to-date repair procedures. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more model and year specific procedural information.